Hey everyone, Andy here at the Flanders Scientific booth in NAB 2016. I'm with Bram, the CEO of Flanders, and we're checking out some new products from Flanders, the Box IO. Bram, can you tell us about the Box IO? This is a LUT box.
Yeah, exactly. It's like an advanced LUT box. We call it an advanced color management device because it does a lot more than just LUTs. So we have 3 models. We have the Box IO, which is going to be our top-of-line unit. It has 2-channel support, so 2 inputs, 2 outputs. What's neat about that is you can put an individual LUT on each channel. You can use them in live grade, for example. So you can, basically it's 2 LUT boxes in one device. And what's nice about that is, like we have here in our cart, you can have 4 in 1 RU, so you can do 8 cameras with 8 independent LUTs in 1 RU. I mean, it's fantastic. So cool little box. We have a light version that is 1 in and 2 out, and you can do independent LUTs on each one. So if people just want to calibrate 2 downstream devices, they could do that with this. You can also use it in live grade for 2 independent LUTs if you want. A little bit less expensive, is under $1,000. And then we have a DP version, which is DisplayPort. It has HDMI, DVI support. Basically go out to a consumer device, a client device, for example, and calibrate that. So we really 2 areas that we want to use this: post-production and production. Production, you use it with live grade. We have QTake integration. Have 3 or 4 more partners that will be announced this year, actually, who all do on-set type stuff. So we're really excited about that. And then, yeah, just a bunch of advanced features built in. Test patch generation, we talked about that a little bit ago. So you can just connect directly with Lightspace or CalMan, and those programs will send the test patches to this so that you can do a calibration without needing a test signal generator. So really cool, easy setup. We're trying to address a lot of concerns in the industry when you're using something like a LUT box. And that's why we added something like the clean loop through. So most LUT boxes are end-of-chain devices. Here you go in, you come back out. With the Box IO, the top-of-line one, you have 2 inputs and 2 clean loops and 2 processed outs, and that way you can continue on. We have so many customers, especially in post-production, who are using Scope Box, and they're using like a mini recorder, which it's an end-of-chain device. And then if your LUT box is an end-of-chain device, now you got to go buy a DA. Here you don't do that. Yeah, it gets really complicated. So yeah.
So I also noticed frame grabs.
Yeah,
that's a pretty cool feature.
So it's pretty neat. So like if you're creating a new look, you just do, create frame grab, add clip, and it automatically pulls it over Ethernet. You don't need another ingest device to do it. And it's neat because you get these thumbnails that can go along with your PDF reports. Now what's nice about it is you can use it for thumbnails like we have happening here with LiveGrade, but actually the Ethernet protocol supports full resolution frame grabs, so you can save TIFFs, you can save JPEGs of the images that you have coming in, so you can really get full resolution reference stills, not just thumbnails. So a lot of different uses for the frame grab.
It's totally key for many workflows. The frame grabs what they give to post, and so and it's working right in LiveGrade already. So that's fantastic.
It's already integrated in LiveGrade. We got, again, a lot of other partners I can't talk about, but that are going to happen. Right. So I think anybody who ever is using a LUT box on set for any purpose is going to be able to use this one.
For 4K as well, I know on one of the versions,
yeah,
right?
So the top-of-line Box IO has those 2 ins and 2 outs, which you can use as 2 LUT boxes, or you can use it as a single one with 4K support. So you have 6 gigabit a second throughput, which allows you to do 4K P30 at 422. And what's neat about it is you can also use 2 LUT boxes together, so 2 Box IOs together, to do 4K P60 or 4K P30 444. These are Ethernet addressable, so you can put them in the same slot in LiveGrade, so you can do live grading 4K, you can do calibration with 4K, so it's pretty sophisticated.
So this is fantastic. I also heard you have a new monitor, a new 17,
yeah,
so should we go over and check it out? All right, so now we're over here at the new DM170. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, so the DM170 is basically the little brother to our top-of-line DM250. Has all the same features: live grade integration, the ability to do image flip. You can do vertical image flip, horizontal and vertical, just horizontal, cross conversion capability. This is actually running in outdoor mode right now, which is why it's so ridiculously bright. But even in outdoor mode, you still have 1400 to 1 contrast, 450 nit or so peak luminance, so it gets pretty bright. You can also turn down the, obviously put it at 100 nit and still get 1400 to 1 contrast. 99% DCI-P3 coverage, so you can use it for those workflows as well. You can do 2 images side by side. I mean, all the advanced features again of the 170, of the DM250, but at less than half the cost. The DM250 definitely our most advanced monitor. We had a lot of guys who are like, hey, I need to use something smaller on set that has those abilities. So, pretty neat stuff.
The contrast is amazing. I mean, I could have sworn it was an OLED.
Yeah.
And this is pretty outstanding. So
it's pretty good stuff.
It's a great fun. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Andy.